Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, as you know that we have completed exercise number 3.3, and in exercise number 3.3 you have learned how to find the square root of the fractions. Now our next topic is exercise number 3.4. In this exercise we will learn how to find the square root of a decimal number. Let's start question number 1. In question number 1, the statement is find the square root by factorization for the following. In the part number 1, the decimal number given is 0.09. In first step, what you will do that you will make it a fraction. What is the method of making it a fraction? That you will put numerator 9 and in place of decimal point you will put 1 under it, and after decimal point there are two decimal places, so that's why you will put two zeros here. So when you convert 0.09 into fraction, it will become 9 over 100. After making it a fraction, you will put a square root over it. Then in the next step, you will put a square root over numerator and denominator both. After putting the square root, you will make the prime factors of both numerator and denominator. The factors of 9 are 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Factors of 100, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5. Under the root, I will write factors of 9. These are 3 into 3. Then I will write factors of 100, 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. In the next step, I will write them in the square form, 3 square, then 2 square into 5 square. In the next step, I will take square as common. In the upper square root there is only one number, so it will be like this, and under it 2 into 5 square, then cut the root with the square. It will be 3 over 2 into 5. Now it will become 3 over 5 2s are 10. In the last, you will convert the answer into decimal. When you divide 3 by 10, the answer will be 0.3. The next part is part number 10, in which the decimal number given is 0.0441. First you will convert this number into fraction, and it will be 441 over, in place of decimal point I will put 1. After decimal point there are 4 digits, so I will write 4 zeros here, and then you will put the square root over it. Now in the next step, you will put square root over both numerator and denominator separately. After putting the square root, you will make prime factors of both of these numbers. Prime factors of 441 are 3 into 3 into 7 into 7, and prime factors of 10,000 are 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now write these factors: 3 into 3 into 7 into 7, 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then write them in the square form: 3 square into 7 square over 5 square into 5 square into 2 square into 2 square. In the next step, I will take square as common, 3 into 7 on the whole square, then 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 on the whole square. In this step, square root and square will be cancelled out, and then you are left with 3 into 7 over 5 into 5 into 2 into 2. Now multiply the factors. 3 sevens are 21 over 2 twos are 4, 4 fives are 20, 25s are 100. And at the last, you will convert the answer into decimal again. So when I divide 21 by 100, the answer will be 0.21. Class, I have done 2 parts for you. The remaining parts you can do from your PDF. The next question is question number 2. Area of a square region is 43.56 kilometers square. Find the length of its side. Students, as you know that area of square is equal to length into length. So area of square is equal to L square. In place of area, you will write 43.56. To find the length, I will put square root on both sides, and here square root and square will be cancelled out because the area is in the decimal form, so you have to convert that into the fraction. After making it a fraction, you will make factors of 4, 3, 5, 6 and 100. The factors of 4, 3, 5, 6 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11 into 11. And factors of 100 are 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now in the next step, write them in the square form. 2 square into 3 square into 11 square over 2 square into 5 square. In the next step, you will take square as common. So it will be 2 into 3 into 11 on the whole square, and then 2 into 5 on the whole square. Root will be cancelled with square, and we are left with 2 into 3 into 11 over 2 into 5. Now multiply the factors. 3 twos are 6, 6 11s are 66, and 5 twos are 10. Because the area was in the decimal, so that's why you have to convert the answer into the decimal. So when you divide 66 by 10, you will get 6.6. So the length of the square is equal to 6.6 kilometer. Next question is question number 5. The question is evaluate. This question has 3 parts. First part is 1 by 2 whole square plus 0.25 under root. First you will find the square of this fraction. Square of 1 is 1 and square of 2 is 4. Plus, now make fraction of 0.25. It will be 25 over 100. 1 by 4 plus square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 100 is 10. Now these are the simple fractions. You have to find out the LCM of 4 and 10. 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 2, and then 5 ones are 5. It means the LCM of 4 and 10 is 20. So here you have to make the denominators same. 4 into 5, 1 into 5 plus 10 into 2 and 5 into 2. Now 5 ones are 5, over 4 5s are 20 plus 5 2s are 10 over 10 2s are 20. Now add numerators. 5 plus 10 over 20. It will become 15 over 20. Simplify it. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. The answer is 3 by 4, but you will convert it into the decimal. So when you divide 3 by 4 like this, 3 is smaller than 4, so you will put decimal point here and put 0 here. 4 7s are 28, 2 0, 4 5s are 20. So the answer is equal to 0.75. Part number 2 is 0.5 square plus 1.2 square under root. First I will find the square of 0.5, that is 0.25 plus square of 1.2 is 1.44 under root. Now add both of these numbers. The answer will be 1.69 under root. Now make it a fraction. 169 over 100. 169 is the square of 13 and 100 is the square of 10. So when I convert it into the decimal, 13 over 10, it will be equal to 1.3. The last part of this question is part number 3, 0.5 square minus 0.4 square under root. First you will find the squares of both numbers. The square of 0.5 is 0.25 minus 0.4 square is equal to 0.16 under root. Now subtract 0.16 from 0.25 and the answer will be 0.09 under root. Now convert the number into fraction, 9 over 100, and find the square root of both numbers. 9 under root over 100 under root equal to 9 is square of 3 and 100 is square of 10. So when I divide 3 by 10, my answer will be 0.3. You have to complete this exercise number 3.4 in your notebook from PDF. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.